What's going on, everyone? I'm going to show you how to replace the cargo lamps or the third brake light, or also known as high mounted brake light, on your 2002 to 2008 Ram 1500 and 2003 to 2009 Ram 25 and 3500s. This will be basically the same steps for most other pickups, but they'll be exact steps for that specific year. So we're going to go ahead. As you can see, here's just the normal incandescent lights. You need a Phillips screwdriver. I'm using a number 2. A little bit of a broader tip. Remove 2 screws holding the light in place and carefully pull it out and put your hands over the screws. You don't want to lose those. Set those aside. So we're replacing them today with these Diode Dynamics LEDs. They are a 921 bulb. I'll post links in the description if you guys want to buy these same ones. With my Dakota back here, the third brake light on that, the lights, the cargo lamps stay on very dim even when the truck's not on. It doesn't drain it enough to kill the battery, but it's just kind of annoying. So I got the Diode Dynamics ones because they kind of specialize in Chrysler, so they shouldn't have any issues with staying on or flickering or anything like that. So to remove the old ones, pretty simple. It's gonna be the same for the cargo lamps and the brake light. You're just gonna rotate these plugs counterclockwise, pull them out, and then remove the old bulbs, just pull out. Install the new ones, same way, just they're flat, you just push them in. Alright, now sometimes LEDs can be directional, meaning if you turn your lights on and they don't work, you might have to unplug it, rotate it 180 degrees and push it back in. Sometimes LEDs only work with power flowing from one direction, so we're going to try them before putting this all back together. Alright, as you can see, they're working perfectly fine, so if you want you can turn them off. Otherwise, I'm going to go ahead and just pop them back in quick. You can see that there's 2 basically plastic tabs on this connector, so you just have to line them up with the grooves that are cut in the housing, like so, and then rotate clockwise. Same with this one. Now we'll just go ahead and tuck the wires all in there. Make sure your seal is in good shape. And reinstall the 2 Phillips screws. They don't need to be ridiculously tight. You want to have it snug so that water doesn't get past the seal and leak into your cab. But it doesn't need to be anything too ridiculously tight where you crack the plastic. And there's a shot of the LED lights. It's hard to tell during the day. I apologize, I couldn't get a night shot, but trust me, they are quite a bit brighter and it will make a difference at night. So if this video helped you out, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe for more videos like this, and check me out on Facebook at Tony the Truck Guy. Thanks for watching.